So we have .xsf, so I'm going to double click that, and I have a, let me just clear this out, just close these real quick, close, and let's reopen that. So this is our simple plain rig. Okay. Alright, so the way that, well, first I'm using this program, it's Context. It's a free scripting software. You can just go to Google, type in Context, and you can check that out. But right now we have our rig file, and just simply it's using a formatting, a type of organization called XML. And it just uses these brackets to define special types of information. Wherever you see this, it means that's the end of the information. So so here you can see that we have this bracket, or this less than sign here, and then we have this greater than sign over here, and this information within it is defining this skeleton. Okay, and then if we jump down here, you can see that the skeleton information closes over here with this guy. So just how the header opens with this and then closes here, we have this guy, which is more complex, so it closes this bit of information here, but the whole entire skeleton tag will close right here. So if we look first, we can see that the skeleton has the notion of how many bones are within the skeleton, and we only have one. The scene ambient color really isn't important, because I don't even believe that the previewer uses this information. But then we tab down, letting XML know that this is the bone is a important part of the skeleton. So it says that there's one bone, so it's going to go ahead and identify that bone. It's going to use the bone's name, which is right here, which is dummy 1, and it's going to say, okay, we know that this bone is called dummy 1. Does it have anything under it? Does it have any children? Which it doesn't. We'll get into what children means in a little bit in another video altogether. And then it gives the bone a material ID. So this particular bone's name is dummy 1, but as far as the previewer is concerned, and as far as the script is concerned, it's really going to look at it as a number. So kind of like how we have a social security number and a name, this is really essentially the social security number of this object. And how some people don't even, how some organizations don't even look at our name, they just look at our number. Same thing with the previewer. So right now the previewer is saying, okay, so bone ID 0, I need all of your information in 3D space. Where are you physically? Which direction are you facing? And all this information. And it's saying, you know what? You need to have a parent as well. What is your parent? In this case, there's only one bone. So, and since this is ID of 0, there's nothing above it. It's going to be -1. Again, we're going to get into this a little bit later. If this made no sense, it's fine, because we're gonna get to some topics which will clarify this in another video. So that's the XSF, and again, the XSF is the rig, which is going to help define where our points are moving.